on the next live. Oh, my bad, guys. What were you saying?
I was gonna tell TK
CodeCombat.
what I told you.
Oh, about your party?
No.
What a ting!
So you know about the remote, right, TK?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I wound up beating.
Okay, yes, I know. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, yeah. What about the remote?
I wound up beating.
Huh?
You
Yeah.
beat?
Mm-hmm.
Twice.
Oh, wait, I don't know if I understand.
Multiply by 3, subtract 2. Blah, blah,
You
blah.
know, when a boy likes a girl, you know, they do grown up things.
Oh, you did that to remote girl?
Yeah.
What? Why?
What you mean?
Wait, have I missed something? I thought remote girl was crazy.
Well, he liked crazy.
No, it was just something that just popped out. That's it.
That's how it started. That's what you said when it started. It just happened. It's just gonna keep happening.
No,
That's what I
no,
said.
no, I'm down with it.
That's what he said. That's what he think.
No, we just cool.
You said twice.
It was same
Twice.
day.
Mm-mm. Pero say, who is this? Sophie. Girl, I was like, what is going on? And he still didn't get the remote.
You don't want it no more.
I mean, I would at least would have got my remote.
At least, yeah. I would have got the property that was stolen from me.
Right. Clearly.
Oh
40,
my
20.
You
God.
just letting thieves get away with it, and you rewarding them. You can't reward
Exactly.
thieves.
Giving them treats.
You told you right. It's okay. She stole your remote, and you told her good job. That's what you told her.
And to do it again.
Yeah,
Y'all crazy.
it's gonna get worse from there. Who knows what she's gonna take the TV next?
No.
Just pick it up and walk off with it.
Something.
Yeah, on accident. She drive.
Nah, I'll
He
pick
picked
up.
her up.
And you taking her to the crime scene?
Oh, sweet child of mine.
Let's see. So we're gonna add that and that. Subtract. This is about to be jacked up. Oh, okay. I hope I did this right.
These are some straight food.
Is this the last person? Who was this? 48, 16. Let's see if my math is right. Can you hear the music in the live? Nope, I jacked up
Chashin.
somewhere.
Oh,
Chashin.
well, I'm not listening live. I'm in Discord, my bad.
No, you good. I was asking tea cakes.
Oh, you're asking me? Let me check.
Well, if like when you popped in, if you heard music the first time.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, cool. Because I know it wasn't working before. But I'm using OBS now, so I guess it's better. Alright, let's figure out this
OBS?
maths, because obviously I jacked it up. So, we go to you, you tell us the number. Cool. Tams is that, move the him, Tam. Alright. So, from here it says subtract 1 and multiply by 4. I did that. So from here it's saying add Tam and this person's number. Didn't divide by 2. I didn't do that. Following directions. Alright. Let's try it again.
Chashin.
In
Chashin.
there?
What a ting.
Oh. Yay, we did it. Da-da-da.
Yeah.
Doing the maths.
What a ting. Chashin.
This game is addictive though.
Chashin.
I think I'm gonna start doing like homework help for subscribers. It's gonna be the new
Really?
thing for the month of June. It's like, do you need summer tutoring on Twitch?
Nice.